Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about C program to print or triangle pattern like this format. Next I'm going to discuss about the drive method of this program. So if you debug the code, control comes to main method. Here after that go inside. So at here I've taken two integer variable I and next j. So at here I start from 1. That check the condition 1 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. So that go inside j value start from 1. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 1. Condition is true. So that go inside console.write. So at here this print the value of I. Here after that go up and increase the value of j. So j become 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 1. So the condition is not true. Control comes to this print console.write line. Cursor bring to the new line. Here after that go up and increase the value of I. So I become 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. So that go inside j start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 2. The condition is true, so that go inside console.write. So that print the value of I. So I value is not 2, so that print. Now hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is not 2. Check the condition 2 equal to 2. Condition is true, so that go inside print the value of I. Now hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 2. Condition is not true, so control comes to this point. So at a console.write line, so cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I become 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. So that go inside j start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than equal to 3. Condition is true. So that go inside print the value of I. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of j. So j become 2 now. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 3. Condition is true. So that go inside print the value of I. So hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 3, condition is 2, so that go inside. So that print the value of I. So hereafter that go up and increase the value of j, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 3, condition is not true. So control comes to this point, console.write line. So at here, right line, then cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of I, so I become 4 now. Check the condition for less than equal to 5. Condition is true. So that coincides. J start from 1 again. J start from 1 and 1 less than equal to I value 4. So that coincides console.write line that print the value of I. So I value is now 4 that print. So hereafter J gonna increase by 1. So J is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 4. Condition is true. So that coincides print the value of I. So I value is now 2 that print. I value is 4. So that print. So hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 3. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 4, condition is true, so that go inside print the value of I. So I value is now 4, that print. So hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 equal to 4, condition is true, so that go inside print the value of I. So I value is now 4. Hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 5. Check the condition 5 less than equal to 4, condition is not true, so control comes to this point. So at your console.write line, cursor being to the new line. Hereafter I gonna increase by 1, so I become 5 now. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincides j start from 1 again. Check the condition 1 less than equal to I value 5, condition is true, so that coincide print the value of I. So I value is now 5, that print. Again that go up and increase the value of j. So j is now 2. Check the condition 2 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincide print the value of I. So hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is 3 now. Check the condition 3 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincide print the value of I. So I value is 5. So hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is now 4. Check the condition 4 less than equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincide print the value of I. So I value is now 5, that print. Hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is 5 now. Check the condition 5 equal to 5, condition is true, so that coincide print the value of I. So I value is 5, that print. Hereafter j gonna increase by 1, so j is 6 now. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5, condition is not true, so not coincide at here. Now control comes to this point, cursor dot right line. So cursor bring to the new line. Hereafter that go up and increase the value of I. So I becomes 6. Check the condition 6 less than equal to 5. Condition is not true. So control comes to this point. Console dot readline method. So this take one input from keyword and terminate the output stream. Also final output we have this on. So this is the drive method of this program. So I hope guys you understand. So thanks for watching. See you next week.